Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're seeing this. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video. This one's a little different. This is more personal to me. On Amazon Prime Day, I decided to get a few things from Amazon Prime Day to show that you don't have to spend a lot of money to do a baby monitoring system. Right now I picked up this camera. This camera goes for $25. I picked up these two cables. I think it was like $12 for the two extension cables, because when I mount the camera, I want to make sure that I have enough length to plug it in at a high level. I got the Fire HD10. This is usually priced for $150. Amazon Prime Day came out to $90. But to fit this budget under $100, then I would go with the Fire HD8, which I want to say it's $80. I'm not completely positive. I will definitely look that up and put it in the description, but I would definitely do that one, or the Fire Tablet 7, which is $50. And then if you get the camera plus a $25, that would be about $75 to $80 together. And then I also got some other things here. These are memory cards to fit into the tablet, because this tablet only comes with 32 gigs. I need to extend that a little bit. And I have another SD card for the camera, because I want to do local recording. Okay, so let's first start with this right here. This is just a little extra. I got a new unboxing knife. If I can unbox this. Let's unbox this first, because it'd be nice to open the new stuff with a new knife. All right. Oh, this is pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see that. This is supposed to be assisted. Oh, there it is. It's assisted, spring assisted opening, so you can open it with one finger. Has a grip, a hook. Has a little flashlight here. I don't know if I can turn that on. See if it has battery. I might have to put a battery in there, but it does have a little flashlight right here. So this is a pretty nice little unboxing knife. Has a nice grip to it. All right, let's get into opening the Fire tablet first. Okay, let's open the Fire tablet first. Push this aside, push this aside over here. I don't think this even needs an unboxing knife, because it has little tabs right here to open it up. I'm gonna pop this sucker open. Pull it out. Oh, that's a pretty nice size tablet. That's a pretty nice tablet. Like I said, this is the 10-inch. Man, I haven't messed with an Android tablet in such a long time. This actually feels pretty nice. Set that aside right there. Let's see what else is in the box. We got a charging brick, 9-watt charging brick. What else we got in here? Should have the cable. Type C. There's actually Type C to Type A USB cable, which is nice. And you have things to try. Shows you how to use the tablet, what things you can use, how to use Alexa, and the instruction manual. Okay. Take the plastic out. Let's take this plastic off. Wow, that's a pretty nice size tablet. The reason I got the 10-inch was because The distance that we're going to set this is on the coffee table, so about 5 feet, so we can see it for very clearly for 5 feet. Let's go around the actual tablet. There's the camera there. There's some pretty deep bezels, but that's nice to hold. Nothing on the back. Camera without a flash. Guessing this is the micro SD slot. Right there, micro SD slot. You got the power button. You got the charger, volume rockers, and what's that? Oh, that's a headphone jack. Nice. Okay, I'm curious. Let's turn this sucker on. Jeez, I didn't think this was going to take this long. I just want to show the way the screen looks. That's all I want. All right. Let me put in my Wi-Fi. Let me tell you a little about this tablet. It is a 1080p full HD tablet, so it's 1920 by 1200, so it's a little more than full HD. It's a little clearer. It's an octa-core processor. It has Dolby Atmos, has a front and rear camera, dual band AC, octa-core processor. So this is a pretty decent tablet for the price. I have not seen anything in this price range for this tablet. And it's still booting. Okay. Well, as soon as it boots up, then we'll get back to this. Let me set this aside. Set that aside. Let's get into the camera. So here's the Wyze camera. It's 1080p camera. It's indoor camera. Here's the side. Here's the back. This also has, this runs on a 2.4 gigahertz band, so it doesn't have Wi-Fi at 5 gigahertz. This just uses the 2.4 gigahertz band. It works with Google Assistant, Alexa, and with IFTTT. It holds free 14-day cloud storage. It has 8 times digital zoom, night vision, and that's it right there. Let's open it up. I'll get to use my knife. Nice. Oh, that's nice and sharp. That's nice. Close this up. Let's open this up. See what's inside. Look how small that camera is. What else is in the box? Close this box up. Here is the setup guide. What's in here? So we have, this is actually the power cable. This goes from USB-A to micro USB. That's a bummer. Hopefully update that. And then we have the power brick right here. And we have, what's this? This looks like a metal ring and a two-sided tape. Okay, what's cool about this camera. It doesn't drill in to anywhere. You would stick this to the wall and the camera will stick to the metal. See? And it's a pretty good magnet. Whoa. Okay, Okay, let's open up this camera. So this actually has nothing at the bottom. There goes the strong magnet. You can actually place this down and maneuver any way you want. It's pretty movable. It has the power, and this USB is to set it up. You plug it into your phone and set it up. And then the micro SD card goes right in there. This is your reset button. And that's pretty much it for this camera. This is actually on now. Let's unlock it. Maybe not. Still, wow, this is taking forever to, just a note, this takes forever to boot up, to start up for the first time. Still not booted up. All right. We can see what these are. These are just regular micro USB to USB type A cables. I want to say these are 25 feet long cables. They're pretty long, so I'm not going to have a lot of trouble finding an outlet to plug in the cameras. And let's get into here. Let's check these out. I haven't seen these yet. Oh, geez. Epic fail. That's a fail. Oh, that's a fail again. What the heck is going on here? Okay. I just want to use the knife. Let's just be 100. And it's really sharp, you can tell. All right, let's pull this out. See, there goes the micro SD card. Has a little SanDisk. It kind of describes all the types of SanDisk and speeds and what is compatible with. Just general information. See the little, that thing is so small that's gonna fit right in here. Right in there. Okay. And I think that is it. Thank you for watching again. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, put them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.